Welcome to today's health journey. We're talking about the green breakfast drink, eh? Delicious and nutritious way to start your day.
Okay, we're going to make my health drink. It's called the health drink, and it's an amazing concoction of simple materials that help you heal, get better, and I actually when the doctor said there was no hope to better. Not that that'll happen to you, but I want to show you how to make it. It's very healthy. It's a good start in the morning. It gives you all your greens and vegetables, and it's simple. What we do is you take spinach. This is public spinach. And we put a little bit in the blender. Actually put a lot. That's the main ingredient is the spinach. And I get public spinach because public is usually pretty good. All right, so that's the main ingredient is the spinach. Then we get some berries, specifically blueberries. And we put a couple of blueberries in there, depending on how much you're going to make. And then we take 1 spoonful of knack. Okay, and you don't need much knack. This is a one. Knack. And then, very important ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. Then you can add a banana or whatever you want, but this is the main bulk of the system. And you want to put some ice in, some water, and I put a little bit of coffee in with milk, but you can put whatever you want in. Blend it up, and you have a delicious green drink. It'll give you all your vegetables that you need for the day.
This classic recipe combines spinach, blueberries, extra virgin olive oil, and knack, along with your personal supplements of choice. Knack, or N-acetylcysteine, is an essential nutrient that helps with liver detoxification and supports immune function. It's often included in health supplements because of its antioxidant properties. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. They're also known for their heart-healthy benefits and potential brain-boosting effects. The magic ingredient here is extra virgin olive oil, which offers a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats and heart-protective antioxidants. It's the perfect addition to this breakfast drink, providing a boost of healthy fats without making it too heavy or greasy. Now add some ice, some water, or a bit of your favorite juice. I sometimes use coffee with a drop of fresh milk. Now here is to your good health.
I hope you enjoy the green drink. And just to summarize, I had an accident in 2017 where I had a traumatic brain injury, and that's when I started seeing doctors and experimenting with different things. And one thing I came up with was this green drink, which really helped, kept me alert, made me feel better, got me into a routine, which was much better than a breakfast routine. And it keeps you from eating junky cereal and things like that. Get your greens for the day, and it helps keep you regular. So I would recommend it for anyone, whether you had a problem or not. And in January of 2023, my mom had a stroke. And the stroke caused her to fall and hit her head. She consequently had 3 more strokes.
Hey, Mom.
She had blood clots. She was in the ICU, and the neurologist pretty much said that she would likely die, and to get our things in order. From there, she went to the COVID ward in the ICU, and she ended up where she couldn't stand. She didn't recognize anybody. She couldn't speak. She just was basically in a coma. Then from the ICU, they sent her to rehab, and the rehab people couldn't work with her. They said that she wouldn't cooperate. She wouldn't cooperate because she couldn't stand. And me and my brothers went in and just worked her, made her stand up, and kind of forced her to move around. After which I regularly, just as a rule, had her drink this drink with some other things in it to get her going in the morning and get a routine going. And in a short time, 3 months later, she was actually able to walk, and she was physically better than she started. Her arthritis was gone, which bothered her a lot. Her hip and the pain and things went away, and she was getting better and better, and she got to the point where she could actually read and recognize people. And I'm sure it wasn't all the green drink, but the routine and working with her helped a lot. So like I said, I would recommend anyone, whether you have a weight problem or you just have a motivation problem, or just get into the habit, try it out, and let me know how it works for you.
Cheers to a healthier you. So, go ahead and give this green breakfast drink a try.